Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to add headers or and footers in Google Docs. So, guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you. So, I'm on my Google Drive. So, you can open your existing Google Docs or you can create new Google Docs. So, I just filter here in search bar only Google Docs, so I can easily find out my Google Docs file. So, you can see I have Docs file, and I can easily find out. So I just open this one, and now I'm going to add header and footer. So if you want to add header, so you have to just navigate your cursor on head. Okay, just navigate cursor here and just double click on it, then header option will come here. Now you can use header format, you can use page number, you can remove header. If I click page number, then page number will be add. Okay, start by one, or where you want to add page number, you can add on header or on footer. So I just type header, start from one, or show on first page. So you can see the page number has been added here. Okay, so if you want to start page number one from different page, so you have to click on it, then page number will be start from next page. Okay, so in option there is another option, you can remove header, you can change the header format. Okay, like header top and inches, you can change inches from top and from bottom. You can start header from different page, so you have to select different first page different. Okay, so this is layout, you can apply layout. Okay, so now this is for header. If you want to add footer, you have to double just come to the footer and double click on it, then footer will become same option you can use. Okay, and here there is another option. If you want to remove footer, just remove it, or if you want to add footer by manually, go to the insert and click on uh, header and footer. You can add footer. Okay, you can see you can also add footer like this, and same as a page number, you can start from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.